Hi everyone, AirPods Pro are one of my favorite earbuds ever. Yes, it's a bit pricey, but I absolutely love their noise cancelling feature and overall user experience. I bought them on Amazon on sale for just 200 euros instead of almost 300, their initial price in France. I used them very carefully, but unfortunately I got some sound quality issues like clicking sound that's very weird and annoying. And also, their wireless charging case never worked for me, just wireless charging feature. I think you will agree with me that it's a bit disappointing for a 300 euros headphones that are so-called Pro. I found some information that Apple launched a free replacement program for AirPods Pro manufactured before October 2020. I bought mine in November, so I guess they were manufactured before October, I guess. Anyway, I just called Apple support and they told me that this issue is known and they will just replace it for free. They will pay for shipping. I asked Apple to replace both AirPods Pro and their wireless charging case because of this wireless charging issue. They accepted everything. They sent me a UPS guy 3 hours later after I called them. I live in Paris, so it happened very fast. This UPS guy just took my AirPods and went away without even putting them in the box. I were a bit confused because he said that UPS will provide a box and everything, and UPS and Apple will take care of everything. The same day my AirPods Pro arrived at Apple Diagnostic Center in Netherlands. 2 hours later, I got an email from Apple informing me that they will ship me a brand new pair free of charge. Next day, I got the same UPS guy with a brand new pair of AirPods Pro. If you have any type of issues with your AirPods Pro, just call Apple, and if your pair is still under the warranty, you will get a free replacement. I think we should use their replacement program for AirPods Pro and any type of products, because when you're paying 300 euros for so-called Pro product, it should be perfect. So just use it. What's interesting is that my new pair of AirPods has the same serial number. I can clearly see that this is a new pair because my case had some scratches and they were a bit used. I think theoretically you can replace your working AirPods Pro for free just by claiming that you have sound issues. I don't think Apple will be able to verify that. In their official statement, they said that Apple has determined that a small percentage of AirPods Pro may experience sound issues. A small percentage. Affected units were manufactured before October 2020. As you can see, my new pair arrived in a small white box with AppleCare logo. Even if I don't have any AppleCare protection plan, this box is a little bit smaller than their original box. No charging cable, no ear tips, and it says product of Poland. That's weird, because from what I know, they were manufactured in China and designed by Apple in California, but whatever. Finally, I'm really happy that I were able to use this replacement program. One thing that works great with Apple is their warranty and replacement policy, but frankly, their quality sucks. Anyway, I will be able to enjoy my AirPods Pro again until they will be broken. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel for future tech-oriented content. I hope my experience will be helpful and you will be able to replace your pair as well if you have any type of issues. Thanks again and have a nice day.